Welcome to today's lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the water scarcity in Pakistan and the essential minerals that are required for plant growth. So, without wasting any time, let's start our today's lecture. So, water scarcity in Pakistan. Let's see with geographic and climate context. Global classification. The world is divided into distinct regions based on the annual rainfall they receive. Pakistan is naturally classified as a semi-arid region, which means it receives low overall rainfall annually. Regional rainfall variation. Northern Pakistan, including Punjab, generally receives a modest amount of rainfall ranging between 250 to 600 mm per year, which falls mostly during the monsoon season. Southern Punjab. Precipitation is highly scarce here, plugging below 200 mm per year. Primary causes for water scarcity in Pakistan. Pakistan is currently experiencing a severe water shortage driven by a combination of natural limits and human environmental forces. Natural climate factors, low annual rainfall, and the involving effect of global climate change. Demographic stress. A rapid growth in population vastly increased domestic, industrial, and agricultural water demands. Agriculture waste. The widespread use of flood irrigation heavily wastes water compared to the modern targeted methods. Resource depletion. Over-extraction is rapidly depleting natural underground aquifers. Management failures. Poor all-out water management prevents efficient distribution and conservation. Key solution to manage the crisis. To address and resolve this crisis, the following systematic steps must be taken. First, rainwater harvesting. Constructing new water reservoir and storage facilities to capture and store monsoon rainwater. Irrigation upgrades. Transitioning to better and advanced crop irrigation techniques. Climate resilience. Taking appropriate and protective measures to mitigate the severe effect of climate change. Strategic management. Enforcing effective long-term management of national water resources. Now come to the quick check solution. Question is, how can we conserve water at home? So here is the answer. We can easily conserve water at home by practicing everyday water saving habits. For example, repairing leaky taps, pipes and flush tanks immediately to prevent continuous loss. Turning off running water while brushing teeth, soaping hands or washing dishes. Using a bucket and a sponge to wash vehicles or clean outdoor areas instead of high pressure hose. Reusing domestic wastewater like the water used to ripen fruit and vegetable to water household plant. Now come to the second topic, which is elements essential for plant growth. Plants require vital chemical nutrients absorbed directly from soil to sustain healthy biological growth. These essential elements are classified into two categories based on the quantities the plants needs. Micronutrients means trace elements. Definition: nutrients that are absolutely required for plant growth but only in very small trace amount. Key elements are boron, copper, iron, manganese, zinc, molybdenum, and chlorine. Required quantity: typically required in tiny concentrations ranging from 6 grams to 200 grams per acre. The danger of excess. Because plants only need minute amounts, adding too much of these elements is dangerous as they become highly poisonous, toxic to the plant in larger quantities. Macronutrients definition: nutrients that are required by plants in large sustainable quantities to support structural development and metabolic health. Key elements: nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Required quantities: these are heavily consumed by crops, generally required in quantities ranging from 5 kg to 200 kg per acre.